Welcome to Herbal Help. Dive into the world of natural remedies and holistic wellness with us. On this channel, we explore the healing powers of herbs, offering practical tips, DIY recipes, and insightful discussions on incorporating herbal remedies into your daily life. Whether you're seeking solutions for common ailments, curious about herbalism, or simply want to embrace a more natural lifestyle, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of herbal healing and nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Today, we're going to talk about turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow-orange spice widely used in traditional medicine and cooking, particularly in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines. Its active compound, curcumin, is responsible for many of its health benefits due to its potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and therapeutic properties. Here are the key health benefits of turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is well known for its ability to reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis, e.g., osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease and diabetes, and turmeric helps to mitigate this. 2. Powerful antioxidant curcumin neutralizes free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress that can lead to chronic diseases, boosts the body's own antioxidant enzymes, enhancing its defense against cell damage. 3. Supports joint and muscle health, helps reduce joint pain and stiffness due to its anti-inflammatory properties, often used as a natural remedy for post-exercise soreness or injury recovery. 4. Promotes heart health, improves endothelial function, which regulates blood pressure and blood clotting, reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides while enhancing good cholesterol, HDL levels. Curcumin helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 5. Boosts brain health, enhances levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that
Nope,
supports
go from
neuron
there, looking
growth and
down,
brain function, may help
and look
prevent
out the window.
neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing amyloid plaque buildup and oxidative damage. 6. May reduce risk of cancer. Studies suggest turmeric has anti-cancer properties, inhibits the growth of tumors and cancer cells, reduces angiogenesis, growth of new blood vessels in tumors, prevents the spread, metastasis, of cancer cells, shows promise in preventing certain cancers, including colon, breast, and prostate cancer. 7. Supports digestive health, stimulates bile production, improving digestion and nutrient absorption, reduces symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion, alleviates symptoms of gastritis and improves gut health. 8. Helps manage diabetes, improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels, reduces complications of diabetes, such as nerve damage and inflammation. 9. Boosts immune system, strengthens immune defenses with its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, may reduce the severity and frequency of colds and flu. 10. Supports skin health, helps combat acne, eczema, and psoriasis due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Reduces hyperpigmentation and brightens the skin. Speeds up wound healing and reduces scarring. 11. Improves mood and fights depression. Curcumin boosts serotonin and dopamine levels, which can improve mood. Studies suggest it may be as effective as some antidepressant medications. 12. Aids in weight management. Curcumin helps regulate metabolism and reduce fat tissue growth, reduces inflammation linked to obesity, and improves metabolic markers. How to use turmeric golden milk. Add turmeric to warm milk with a pinch of black pepper and honey. Cooking, Incorporate into curries, soups, or roasted vegetables. Tea. Brew turmeric with ginger, lemon, and honey. Supplements. Standardized curcumin supplements with black pepper piperine for better absorption. Turmeric is generally safe but should be used in moderation. High doses may cause stomach upset or interact with medications, e.g., blood thinners, diabetes meds. Turmeric is a versatile natural powerhouse for promoting health and beauty. Let me know if you'd like recipes or additional information.